Is your Maytag washer knob cracked, slipping, or not turning properly? A faulty timer knob can prevent you from selecting the correct wash cycle. Replacing it is a simple and cost-effective DIY repair, potentially saving you from buying a new washing machine. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. Before you start replacing the timer knob, the most important step is safety. Unplug the washer from the power outlet to prevent any risk of electric shock. You'll need a few basic tools for this repair. First, a flathead screwdriver or sometimes pliers to help remove the knob. You might also need a Phillips head screwdriver for some models. And potentially a small Allen wrench, like a 1/8 inch size depending on your washer model. Finally, make sure you have a new compatible timer knob ready. Often, part number WP2202479 works for many Maytag washer models. Begin by opening the washer lid to access the control panel. First, open the washer lid. The timer knob is typically located on the control panel at the top of the machine. Gently pry off the existing knob using the flathead screwdriver or pliers. Be careful not to damage the control panel. Some knobs are held in place by a set screw or clip. Locate and loosen or remove it before prying. In some cases, you may need to remove the entire timer assembly to replace the knob. This involves unscrewing the timer from the back of the control panel. Use 2 to 4 Phillips head screws to secure the assembly. If there's a wiring harness connected to the timer, carefully disconnect it. Take note of the timer's orientation to ensure proper reassembly and avoid misalignment. Align the new timer knob with the timer shaft. Secure it using the set screw or clip if applicable. Make sure the knob is firmly attached and doesn't wobble. If you disconnected a wiring harness, reconnect it now, ensuring it's properly seated. After installing the new timer knob, plug the washer back into the power outlet to restore power. Test the new timer knob by rotating it through the different wash cycles to ensure it moves properly. Listen for smooth rotation without skipping or unusual noises that might indicate a problem. If everything works correctly, reassemble the control panel by reversing the removal steps. When replacing a Maytag washer timer knob, common issues can occur. First, if the new knob slips, the set screw may not be tight enough, or the replacement part may be incompatible. Second, if the washer doesn't cycle correctly, double-check the wiring connections. Use a multimeter to ensure continuity and proper alignment. Third, if you are unsure about any step, consult a qualified appliance repair technician to avoid damaging the washer or risking safety hazards. Timer knobs for Maytag washers are widely available online from retailers like Amazon and eBay. Prices for these parts typically range from $10 to $30, depending on the specific model. For best results, use original equipment manufacturer parts to ensure compatibility and maintain warranty coverage. Be cautious of counterfeit parts that may not meet safety standards. Always unplug your washer before any repair work to prevent electrical hazards.